Well, hopefully this is the last video in regards to the shore power. I want to share something with you. Probably a lot of people don't know. I'm going to point this out. There's a hot, neutral, and a ground. You see this right here? It is a black colored screw. This one back here, which you really can't see, well, it's right there. It's silver, and this just has a little green ring on there. So this is called identified. This black one is identified, and therefore it is the hot leg. The silver is the neutral. Anytime you wire a receptacle in a home, it's the same thing. The one that's identified, which is usually a brass colored one, is your hot leg, okay? Let's show you underneath. I know I'm shaking the camera a lot, but it is what it is. There we are. Bam. It was not easy getting that thing in there, I'll tell you what. I wanted to have the bolts coming the other way, but that wasn't going to happen because you say, well, why is that, Paul? You could do anything. No, I really can't. You see, if I would have had the bolts come through this way because I couldn't get the exact size. This is a stainless steel screw with a stainless steel. Come on, don't use a zinc. Get the stainless steel. Take the trip to the hardware store. Yeah, you got it. If this would have come the other way and the nut would have been on the bottom when you spin this, it would have hit. Comprende? Cabiche? Yeah, you can see it gets a little funky junky up in here, but I'm okay with that, and I don't have the mud flaps on yet, and that's probably going to solve all of this. However, like I said, I'm pretty secure. This thing is spun on there really, really good, and you're saying why you want to go underneath to connect your shore power. Well, I hope and anticipate I'm not going to use it that much, but I want to stay in stealth, so therefore the vehicle looks like a regular van. Any questions, let me know, and as always, God bless.